does it help improve social skills? Oh my god, such an embarrassment. I still remember that point. So इतना ज़्यादा shy और timid कि मैं दूसरे जेंडर मतलब लड़कों से बात नहीं कर पाती थी. I used to be hesitant of talking to guys. Our PM Narendra Modi ji. Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome to my YouTube channel Jyoti Kamath Creations. I hope you all are doing well. क्या आपको भी एक अच्छा पब्लिक स्पीकर बनना है? Or do you aspire to become a great orator in life? Then this video is for you. Let's get going. Now I'll take a couple of names and you tell me कि आपके दिमाग में सबसे पहले क्या आता है इनके नाम सुन के. Let's take people from India first. Swami Vivekananda ji, Sudha Murthy ji, our PM Narendra Modi ji, spiritual background से Sadhguru ji, Gaur Gopal Das ji. Let's take people from globally. Might have heard the name of King Martin Luther, Nelson Mandela, and these days Simon Sinek, Jay Shetty. इनके talks और speeches तो आपने कई सुने ही होंगे, and they are pretty famous. So what do you think makes these people special, and what's so unique about them? क्या आपने कभी सोचा है कि इनमें क्या common है? Well, it's their public speaking skills, the way they deliver their message to the people. I'm pretty sure कि आप लोगों ने इनके कुछ clips देखे होंगे which are floating in the internet and you always leave with a different kind of emotion. You could be happier, motivated, energetic or it could be anything. जैसे कि for example, you might have seen Priyanka Chopra speaking with so much confidence. And one of my favorites, Sandeep Maheshwari, who is also a motivational speaker. हम क्यों इनकी बातों को इतना महत्व देते हैं, इन्हें और सुनना चाहते हैं? Well, because they have got really good public speaking skills. हम क्यों इनकी बातों से इतना कनेक्ट कर पाते हैं? Because they are relatable. Because they are able to clearly express their thoughts and deliver their message. They use wise choice of words, they are very eloquent or skilled speakers, fluent, persuasive, and it creates a huge impact on people. And hence it influences so many people out there. And this is exactly what a public speaker is. Remember, our words are powerful and it can move minds, broaden someone's perspective and even transform lives. इसीलिए अगर आपके पास opportunity है, platform है to influence people, then do make sure to work on your public speaking skills. So before we delve into the public speaking topic, let's start off with a small story. So बचपन में मैं बहुत ज़्यादा shy और timid nature की हुआ करती थी. अभी भी थोड़ा बहुत हूँ, लेकिन not as timid and shy as I used to be before. So इतना ज़्यादा shy और timid कि मैं दूसरे gender मतलब लड़कों से बात नहीं कर पाती थी. I used to be hesitant of talking to guys. So whenever I used to find my peers or seniors who used to be more confident and more confident than me at least, I used to really admire them and look up to them. I'm like, wow, ये चाहिए, इतना confidence चाहिए मेरे को. Because I wanted to become more bold and share my opinion, put forward my point, and just be more confident. And so I started attending these workshops, training and talks where different people used to come and give speeches on different things. And so I used to observe them, learn from them. I used to pick up different qualities and different points from their speech. Like what are they saying, how are they saying, voice modulation ho, rate of speech ho, the presentation content, their body language, eye contact, including their dressing sense, their presence. और ऐसे कर करके मैंने वो सारी क्वालिटीज अपने अंदर इम्बाइब करना शुरू कर दिया. सो आई स्टार्टेड प्रैक्टिसिंग. सो दैट वाज अ लर्निंग फेज फॉर मी एंड उतने में मेरी कभी हिम्मत नहीं हुई कि मैं जाके सेमिनार या स्पीच दे सकूं. या फिर इवन आई यूज्ड टू नॉट पार्टिसिपेट इन लाइक एलोक्यूशन कॉम्पिटिशन एंड स्टफ बिकॉज आई डिडंट नो व्हाट टू से एंड हाउ टू से इट इन फैक्ट. सो अंटिल 11th 12th तक तो मैं कभी भी इतना कॉम्पिटिशन में नहीं गई रिलेटेड टू पब्लिक स्पीकिंग एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. But when I came to engineering, I thought I should get rid of this fear and overcome all of my challenges. And so I thought of putting myself out there and see what happens. वो कहते हैं ना, स्विमिंग अगर नहीं आती है तो पानी में पहले उतरो, उसके बाद तैरना खुद ब खुद सीख जाओगे. So I started off by giving seminars. So जैसे ही सेमिनार का अपॉर्चुनिटी मिला वैसे ही I volunteered for it. और फिर उसके प्रिपरेशन के लिए मैंने अपना रिसर्च किया, आई प्रैक्टिस्ड एंड देन आई डिलीवर्ड माय सेमिनार एंड सरप्राइजिंगली इट वेंट वेल. मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा फीडबैक मिला ऑडियंस से एंड दे वर लाइक यू शुड कंसिडर बिकमिंग अ प्रोफेसर एंड दैट वाज अ गेम चेंजर फॉर मी. I felt glad, I felt happy, motivated, and from then there was no turning back. I just kept giving more seminars, participated in more such public speaking competitions. In fact, I won in one of the elocution competition. From then on, I kept improving my public speaking skills, worked on my communication skills and practiced. ऐसा नहीं है कि अभी मैं बहुत बड़ी कोई पब्लिक स्पीकर बन गई हूँ, बट एटलीस्ट आई हैव इम्प्रूव्ड अ लॉट एंड दैट्स अ ह्यूज अचीवमेंट फॉर मी. बिकॉज कहाँ एक पहले ज़माने में बचपन में मुझे एक ओरल एग्ज़ाम भी नहीं देना था. सो इवन इन माई ओरल एग्जाम्स वंस अपॉन अ टाइम वी वर सपोज टू स्पीक ऑन माई पेट टॉपिक. सो एवरीबडी स्पोक अबाउट दैट पेट्स, माई डॉग, माई कैट, उनके पता नहीं दूसरे कुछ पेट्स के बारे में बोला. एंड आई वॉज सो कन्फ्यूज, आई वॉज लाइक लिटरली scared and nervous because I didn't have a pet. Second wala, I don't know how to make up stories and just even tell few points on my pet topic or any topic for that matter. I was so scared, it showed on my face. And as soon as I was going on the podium, on the stage to give my oral exam in front of the whole classroom, my teacher was like, ye kya hi bolegi. She already knew I couldn't ace it, and she was like, will you even say a sentence? And then the same thing happened. I went on the stage. I could recollect or remember whatever my classmates said ना, same thing मैंने छाप दिया कि I have a cat, I have this that, 2-3 सेंटेंस बोला, सेम टू सेम कॉपी किया मैंने दूसरे क्लासमेट से और मैं आ गई. Oh my god, such an embarrassment. I still remember that point. That was exactly when I wanted to work on myself, when I wanted to improve. So that was like a trigger for me and it fueled my interest towards public speaking. So I feel like I've come a long way from that point till now. And so if I can do it, anybody can do it. So let's start off by seeing what exactly is public speaking and how we can build this skill. So अभी तक तो आप लोग समझ गए होंगे कि it's a presentation that's given live before an audience. आजकल तो खैर ऑनलाइन भी हो जाता है on digital platforms. But yes, it's a soft skill that requires your communication skills, confidence and the ability to engage with the audience. It's very important. So आजकल सिर्फ अपना काम करना और अच्छे से परफॉर्म करना ही ज़रूरी नहीं है, but you also need to communicate and present your work in an effective manner. It will increase the credibility of your work, your art. And ये हर किसी फील्ड में इम्पॉर्टेंट है, फिर चाहे वो ऑफिस मीटिंग्स में हो या फिर सोशल लाइफ में. Let's see why public speaking is so important. First of all, it builds and boosts your confidence, strengthens your communication skills, helps you overcome your fears, helps in developing leadership qualities, and of course improves your social skills. How does it help improve social skills? Well, let's say अगर आप किसी टॉपिक पे प्रेजेंट करने जा रहे हो in any formal or informal environment, then you will obviously interact with your audience, right? आप अपना स्पीच डिलीवर कर दोगे, उसके बाद लोग आपको जानेंगे, आपके काम को जानेंगे आपके टॉपिक के थ्रू. Then you can meet them, connect with them, and so many people will get to know about your different qualities, your talent, your skills, and they might reach out to you later on for different opportunities. That's how you can build good network, good relationship with people. So this is one way to create your visibility and connect with many people. Now there is an activity that you can do. Think of the best speech that you have heard in your life and put it down in the comment section below. Also let me know the reason why do you think it's the best. Also you can think about who is your favorite public speaker and why, and what are some of the common qualities that you find in different public speakers. Okay, so now coming to the self introduction part. आप कहीं पे भी जाओगे ना, चाहे वो इंटरव्यू में हो या फिर प्रेजेंटेशन के लिए हो, you will be first expected to give your introduction, just so that the next person or the audience gets to know a little bit about you. तो उस पर आप ग्रीटिंग्स डाल सकते हो by telling good morning, good evening, whichever time of the day it is. Then you can mention your name, where do you come from, your educational background, the work that you do right now, your skill sets. You can speak a little bit about your hobbies, your passion, and at the end, what's your goal. You can also make use of the elevator pitch, जिसके बारे में मैंने अपनी दूसरी वीडियो में एक्सप्लेन किया हुआ है. I will mention its link at the end of this video. So make sure you're giving a very good, short yet crisp self-introduction, because that will set the expectation for the whole conversation or your presentation. Here comes few of the guidelines for public speaking. Step 1 is to know your audience. अगर आपके पास कुछ टाइम बचता है बिफोर योर टॉक स्टार्ट्स, देन गो एंड गेट टू नो व्हाट योर ऑडियंस इज लाइक, which background do they come from, which age group are they from. It's important to know them and their mindset. If you do not have time, no worries, you can always ask the organizers about these details. Also know about the educational level. Step 2, know the occasion. You should know about the circumstance, the requirement and tone of the occasion. Make sure that your message matches with the occasion, and also be careful about the time limits. लेट्स से आपको किसी सोशल एनवायरनमेंट में स्पीच देने के लिए बुलाया गया है, मे बी फॉर अ फेस्टिवल लाइक होली, यू आर आस्क्ड टू गिव अ टॉक अबाउट इट. सो इस सिचुएशन में यू डोंट हैव टू टॉक अबाउट द वर्ल्ड वॉर दैट इज हैपनिंग समवेयर एल्स, बिकॉज इट डजेंट मैच, राइट. तो आप हैप्पी मोमेंट्स के बारे में बात कीजिए, बिकॉज इट्स अ फेस्टिवल टाइम. सिमिलरली अगर आप किसी सीरियस इशू को एड्रेस करने जा रहे हो, एंड इफ इट्स अ क्रिटिकल सिचुएशन, then you don't have to joke around and make funny statements, because that will not make sense, right? Third step is to select a topic. If you have a choice, then select a topic that is interesting to you as well as for your audience members. Make sure that it is relevant and आज के ज़माने के हिसाब से it should be applicable also. Step 4, select a purpose. Determine the general purpose of your speech. कि आप inform कर रहे हैं किसी topic के बारे में लोगों को, या फिर आप entertain करने जा रहे हैं वहाँ पे. Step 5 is to gather potential content. जितना हो सके उतना information collect कीजिए. Research about the topic from various sources. It could be from newspapers, books, internet. आपके फ्रेंड से बात कीजिए उस टॉपिक के बारे में. Get to know about the history of the topic, the current situation and the future of that topic. और फाइनली अपनी खुद की नॉलेज से भी कंटेंट गैदर कर सकते हो. Step 6 is to gather more content than actually needed. जितना चाहिए उतना ही नहीं, लेकिन go a little beyond that and gather more content about your topic. Use out-of-the-box ways to gather different perspectives. This additional information will help you while answering the audience's questions or to get an overall view about your topic. Step 7, organize your content. अब आपने सारा information तो इकट्ठा कर लिया, लेकिन इतने सारे sources से जो इतना information जमा हुआ है, उसको आप कैसे अपनी speech के लिए use करोगे, कौन से points use करोगे, because not everything is required. So you need to sort the materials. It will help you organize your thoughts and ideas based on the audience, based on the occasion and purpose of your presentation. Step 8, phrase the speech. इसका मतलब है write down your speech. This is where you will structure the flow and fine tune it. Step 9, prepare visual aids. कुछ लोगों को सिर्फ words से समझ में नहीं आता है. They will need something more than that to understand. Or maybe if your speech is for a longer period of time, then it could get a little boring in between, or the audience might get distracted. In that case, visual aids helps. It adds visual support to help your audience remember your points through different forms like presentations or other mediums like charts, etc. Step 10, practice, practice, practice. Absolutely avoid memorizing your talk because it feels like you have by-hearted something and you are throwing it out there. Instead, remember key ideas and points. ऐसे कुछ highlights याद करके रखिए which is important for you to convey it to your audience. So that will require for you to practice at least more than 3 times. And if possible, ask with your family or close friends to give you suggestions on your talk. एक बार आप उनके सामने अपना speech दीजिए and ask them to give you feedback. It's like you're not going in front of the actual audience, but you can still visualize it. So yes, these were the steps that you can follow for public speaking. Now let's see what are the elements that makes an ideal speech. There will be mainly 4 parts. पहला होगा self introduction part, दूसरा होगा topic introduction. Start your topic with a question or a story. इससे क्या होगा, आप audience का ध्यान अपनी तरफ खींच पाओगे. Later introduce your topic by giving basics. Let's say अगर आप AI, artificial intelligence के बारे में बात कर रहे हो, then start with what is artificial intelligence, how did it originate. Give them fundamentals. क्योंकि audience में से कुछ members को शायद वो पता होगा, लेकिन few others may not have an idea on it. Third part is the main body of the topic. There should be at least 3 to 5 points. Support each of your point with a sub point. Fourth will be conclusion of the topic. आपको एक summary देना है with 2 to 3 points in it. And very important, end your topic with a question, a story or a quote. It again leaves the audience alert and they think about the topic further on. Let's see what's the body language that you should maintain while delivering your speech. Now these may not seem as important because you might focus on the content more. लेकिन content से ज़्यादा आपको presentation, आप अपने आप को कैसे कैरी कर रहे हो, किस तरह से आप अपना स्पीच डिलीवर कर रहे हो, that creates the whole vibe of your talk. First, facial expressions. Facial expressions are what your face conveys during the speech. It helps you convey your emotions to others. You can't be with a dead expression and expect them to understand or relate to your topic. अगर आप किसी serious topic के बारे में बात कर रहे हो, keep a straight face. If you're talking something funny, then laugh yourself first. In fact, general suggestion would be keep a pleasant smile on your face throughout your speech. Next is eye contact. It is to have visual contact with everyone in the audience. Your audience should feel like you're talking to them. Next is postures. Example, if you're standing straight or slouching, bad postures like slouching will give your audience the impression that you're not confident or you're nervous. Stage पे जाने के कुछ minutes पहले calm yourself down and be relaxed throughout your presentation. Position and movement. कि आपको stage पे कहाँ खड़े रहना चाहिए? Should you move around or how can you make the best use of the stage? Choose a position where all your audience members can see you. If you want, you can move around a little bit from time to time. Gestures. They're very important in body language. It's how you use your arms and hands while communicating. Use your hands while communicating different points in your presentation. Keep the gestures as natural as possible and don't overdo it. कि ऐसे करना है वहाँ पे आप डांस नहीं कर रहे हो, तो जब भी ज़रूरत पड़े तब अपने हैंड मूवमेंट्स को यूज़ कीजिए. Otherwise, find a neutral place for your hands to rest comfortably. Okay, here's how you can take your public speaking to next level, which is by interactive public speaking. It is engaging the audience through different types of activities while doing public speaking. कि कितना आप अपने audience के साथ interact कर पा रहे हो, involve कर पा रहे हो. So here are few of the ways to make public speaking interactive. Use an icebreaker to start your session. कुछ icebreaker games के साथ आप start कर सकते हो ताकि audience भी enjoy करने लगे. This is also a way for you to get to know your audience. Keep it simple and avoid any complexity in your speech. Avoid jargons. Like for example, अगर आपकी audience जो है अलग अलग background से है, not necessarily from IT, and you're giving an introduction about a topic related to IT, then don't use jargons like very big complex words like deep learning or something that they will not understand easily. तो उसको break कीजिए और use some alternative words. Try and give examples as much. Q&A. Do remember to ask simple questions in between and at the end of your presentation. आप quiz भी conduct कर सकते हो, which will help the audience recall your points. Of course, make use of humor in between. थोड़ा joke कर लेना चाहिए ताकि the audience feels more comfortable and light. Add in some visual and audio effects. PPTs use कर लो, slides use कर लो, videos use कर लो. Of course, sharing a personal experience is like a cherry on top. आप जब real time experiences के बारे में बात करते हो, it enhances the quality of your speech because the audience feels it's more believable. And उनको ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट भी रहता है रियल लाइफ एग्जाम्पल्स के बारे में सुनने के लिए. डू गेट फीडबैक कॉमेंट्स एट द एंड ऑफ द सेशन, फिर चाहे वो लाइव हो या रिटन फीडबैक हो. यू माइट रिसीव सम क्रिटिसिज्म एज वेल. दोज विल बी द पॉइंट्स यू शुड बी वर्किंग ऑन नेक्स्ट. इनवाइट ऑडियंस टू द स्टेज. ऐसे वो ज़्यादा अवेयर हो जाएंगे एंड इफ दे हैव जोन्ड आउट और समथिंग दे विल कम बैक. और उन्हें अपने थॉट्स शेयर करने के लिए कीजिए सो दैट एवरीबडी गेट्स टू पार्टिसिपेट इन दिस होल प्रेजेंटेशन. कमिंग टू द क्वेश्चनिंग पार्ट, हमें क्यों क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहिए? इट गोज बोथ द वेज. वी शुड ऑल्सो बी आस्किंग क्वेश्चन एज वेल एज द ऑडियंस. इट हेल्प्स टू क्लियर डाउट्स, improves active learning, makes the subject more interesting, helps to remember information and promotes personal growth. फिर चाहे वो क्लासरूम में कोई डाउट पूछ रहा हो या फिर बाहर ऑफिस में या सोशल एनवायरनमेंट में, आप खुद एज अ स्पीकर ऑडियंस से क्वेश्चन कर सकते हो. In this way, your audience becomes a part of your presentation. आप as a speaker क्या questions ready कर सकते हो? You can plan your questions in advance. Be an agile questioner too. Ask open-ended questions. सिर्फ yes or no में ख़त्म होने वाले नहीं. It could go further down the line. Have an open questioning mindset and ask one question at a time. Allow wait time. यानी कि जैसे ही आपने क्वेश्चन पूछा, डोंट एक्सपेक्ट द ऑडियंस टू बी आंसरिंग राइट एट दैट मोमेंट बिकॉज दे माइट नीड सम टाइम टू थिंक अबाउट इट. So give that pause, it's okay. Here are few tips to overcome the fear of public speaking. Record yourself and learn. जैसे आपने अपना स्क्रिप्ट रेडी किया है, उसको प्रैक्टिस कीजिए. After you have practiced well, record yourself and act as if you're giving a speech. Focus on your material. Relax, meditate and use positive words. Don't fear a moment of silence. Dress for success. Use humor as needed. And engage the audience. To start off with this journey, you can take up few old time competitions जो हम स्कूल में नहीं करते थे, jam competitions and all like just a minute and all. तो वहाँ से कोई टॉपिक आप लीजिए, take a minute to prepare and then play it with your friends. This is to kickstart your journey. Here are few rules for presentation as well. आप जब भी PPT slide बना रहे हो, keep these points in mind. Plan a clear story. Provide only one major point per slide. Use limited text. Use simple visuals. Develop a consistent theme. Repeat critical messages twice using different visuals. Also use the final slide for contact information and links to the additional resources. Use timed practice. So make sure कि आप जब भी practice कर रहे हो, अपने आप को time कर रहे हो. अगर 15 minutes का slot है, so 10 minutes of your speech and 5 minutes of Q&A can be planned. So yes, this was it for today's video. I hope कि ये सारे suggestions और tips आपको काम आए. And आज से, in fact अभी से अपने oratory या public speaking skills पे काम करना शुरू कीजिए. And may you deliver great speeches and inspire people. Okay, so आज के वीडियो के लिए बस इतना ही. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share it with your loved ones, and please hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I put up a video. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय, टेक केयर.